Hello, welcome to another Mixology Monday. I'm Robbie.
And I'm Lee, and today we're going to show you how to make the Rosito.
All right, folks, hope you enjoyed our cocktail, the Rosito. It's basically a play on a mojito with flowers in it, right, Lee?
Yeah, so basically, classic mojito is lime, simple syrup, and rum.
Oh my god!
I told you it was good,
dude.
right?
Thank you.
Yeah. So I just made a rosewater simple syrup instead of just plain simple syrup. It has a really nice depth to it, a little bit of floral notes in there, some just it's mojito take it to the next level, basically, and it is freaking phenomenal.
That rose is intense, but like the balance in the drink makes it work.
Yeah, the lime and the mint just plays with those rose flavors and kind of tapers it down to where you still taste it. It's just not, it's super intense. Like you might smell it just smelling the syrup.
Yeah. Well, hope you liked the video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media, our website, cocktail classes and dinners that we do, and most importantly, how you buy our rum. Cheers. Thanks, brother.
Cheers.